Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to download all the grades of the student. So we are all aware that we are giving the assignment to the students in the classwork, and then since it is an online class we cannot keep track of the students all the time, so better we can give the assignments then and then so that we can just to track the performance. So in that manner I have just given a video on how to track the students performance for the whole semester. So what you have to do is, as usual, we go to the class and we give the assignment to the students, and also we give the due date for the students that we have seen in the last videos. Now here what you are going to do is go to the class, okay, go to the class and then get into the just repeat the steps here. Go to the class. I am taking the example of this BISM C test class, and one more thing is that always to have an separate class for the test. Normally during the class, regular classes, we give the material, we give the timetable, so many things we give it in the class itself. So what is the best idea is always assign a separate class for the test. As it is shown in this screen, I have assigned a separate class for BISM C test class. In this test class I will ask the students to assemble for all the tests and also the assignments, so that we can track the performance of the students. Okay, so here how to get into the things like that, just click on the test class and then get into the classwork and then click on the view assignment. Click on any assignment, okay, view assignment. So when you click this view assignment, you will get into the screen where we can see this type of screen where the instructions and the student work is there. So when you click on the student work, here we can see I have assigned few works for all the 50 students, and then we can also see how many students have turned in and for various works. This is one work all the 50 students have turned in. Now in this screen only we are able to check the grades of the student. So go to this settings button and then click on this. You will get copy all grades to Google Sheets. This is the option. Either we can download all the grade as CSV, that is the comma separated values, or we can copy all the grades to the Google Sheets. When you have this option enabled, then it is possible for us to copy all the grades of the students, and just I will show you, it will take some time to download because I have given many work in the classroom. So I have just downloaded, copy this, and I have shown in the next screen. So when you click on this, it will go to the screen like this. It is loading to download all the grades. Okay, so this is the resulting screen I have got from the download. Just I am showing this since it take much of the time. I have just loaded and kept here itself. Just I am closing the tab and showing the what I have got as a result of this grade sheet. So now you can see here there are so many assignments given during the class hours for the whole semester, and we can see here from column A and till column I we are given the information of the students, like your name of the student and their mail ID, and this is then automatic calculation done by the classroom itself based upon the grades what to give to the different assignments. Here you can see, so this is the one assignment is not assigned to all the students. I have given an assignment for as a group of 10 students and 5 students, so it is an different, so 5 different assignments given to different students. So this is the one, and here no one has turned down, so it is blank. And here you can see this is the next assignment where we can see the other columns. This is in CAA 1, that is the marks of CAA 1, and this is the practical program CAA, and this is the performance of the student, and this is the some submission of the theory notes, and this it's also graded for the students who have submitted. Okay, and then here this is the model exam marks I have given for all the students, and likewise there are so many assignments given during the semester. When you keep on giving many assignments to the semester during the semester, we are able to find out the overall performance of the students. Here you can, this is an automatic calculation done by the Google Classroom itself. This is the class average. So we can see that the class average for this student, we can see from here the first student the class average is 70 48.6, where she has performed better, and the second student, she has got 79. She has also done her work properly. And then we can see the third student, she has got only 32%. Actually, this percentage is given by the average of all the performance of all the assignments given in the classroom during the semester. So at the end of the semester, if at all you wanted to just have the performance behavior of the student, we can just roll out the class average and find out how the students performed well. And also you can see this girl, she has performed better, she has got 79%, and this girl have got only 48%. So we can just getting the grade of the students will help you to find out the average performance of the students in the whole semester. So by this also we can give some assignment marks, or we can give some performance marks for the students, so that to grade the students during the whole semester. Hope this option will be helpful for us to track the behavior of the students, and thanks for watching.